If you're looking for women handbags ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018. Top 10 Teddy Blake Handbag Winter 2018. Number 1, Most Popular, by Ainifeel. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Cherish Kiss. Number 3, by Ainifeel. For more info about this great Teddy Blake handbag, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Ainifeel. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6. Number 7. Discover more women handbags ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8. Number 9, by Macton. The top 10 Teddy Blake Handbag Winter 2018 were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by San Mario.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.